Hello. Today is a pretty exciting day because for the first time, someone actually paid me to review a product. Can't believe someone actually paid me to review the product. I mean, have they seen my videos? But anyway, here it is. This is what I'm reviewing today. This is the Fine 4-channel mixer. I know it's supposed to read Fine, but the guys at the company who sent me this insisted that the correct pronunciation is Fine. So I would have argued with him, but they're paying me to do this, so let's just live with it, shall we? So there we go, Fine Technology. I hope the product is as fine as... they told me their company is based in China. It says ultra low noise 4-channel submixer, so apparently it's supposed to be a low noise mixer. So let's hope that that is the case. Without further ado, let's unbox this. And also I'll review this time. I'll actually test this out because they asked me to actually test it out. But nonetheless, let's do it, shall we? Boom. Okay. Let's do this. Manual, and there it is. It's actually smaller than I expected. Oh, because of the adapter. I just thought because of the box, I assumed it was going to be bigger, but that's the adapter and that's the actual size of the mixer. First things first, user guide. Of course, I'm gonna read through this thoroughly because I live by the rules. Oh god. They have a Facebook, but they don't have an Instagram or Twitter or MySpace or Bebo. What a shame. But they have Facebook. It says get social, contact info, email, company website, finefindmicrophone.com. So I'm assuming they predominantly make microphones, which I want to check out. If you want to send me more free stuff, then, hint, hint, wink, wink, cherry on top. Anyway, operation video. They probably have their own instructional video online, I'm assuming. So I don't know why they need me to review this. What? But whatever, okay. So you can plug in guitar, mic, bass, keyboard, whatever you want, I suppose. Any electronic audio equipment, I'm assuming, instruments. Gonna take this out. That's it right here. A little dusty. But is that someone's hair? No, it's not someone's hair. I thought that this was like a golden retriever's hair or was like someone's hair on it, but whatever. I don't think it is. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a solid DI box. For those of you who don't know what a DI box is, and shame on you, I'm just joking. It looks like a standard, it could be like a guitar pedal, like DI box type material, just like a standard, effects rig type feel. Yeah, pretty solid. Standard stuff. Got the 12-volt adapter input, and 4 inputs and 1 output. N5, I guess that's the model name. What else do we have here? Adapter. It's fairly nice and compact. AC/DC adapter. Do you have anything else here? Do they have stickers included in here? Oh god, they probably don't. Okay. I think this is like a thank you note. Dear all, thank you for being our valued customer. We hope to meet your needs and impressing you with our custom experience. Number 1, a product demonstration video and Fine website that offers operation functionality you could ever want. Find us on Facebook if you need guidance. I do need guidance all the time. Discount will be found on it also. Discount? Why the hell did they not tell me about... Oh yeah, I got it for free. Okay, never mind. Easy to get an upgrade 2-year warranty by signing in Fine website. Sorry, Fine. I'm sorry for mispronouncing it. Please don't shoot me. So there's like a 2-year warranty if you sign up on their website, I'm assuming. That's pretty neat. Write us a product review and let us know what to keep or to change. So to provide valuable experience to people who value it, products before purchasing as well. Hope to hear from you. Oh, that's very nice. Best regards, Fine team. Sorry. That's very nice of them. So yeah, I will write a review. In fact, I'll do a video, I'll do a demonstration and an unboxing at the same time because I'm so kind. But they don't have any stickers in this. Fine, come on, up your game, man. You know I love stickers. There's no stickers. If there was a Fine sticker included, I would have proudly attached it to my car and my suitcase. And maybe even get a tattoo. But my parents won't like that, so. Okay, so that's all we have in the box. So we'll get rid of that. Okay, extremely simple. An adapter, the mixer. Let's just see how long the adapter actually is. Okay, so the cable length is about my arm's length, if that makes sense. They feel, knobs feel, they're okay, but they don't feel exactly too super solid. They kind of wiggle around a bit. I hope that's not an issue in performance-wise. So there we go. We'll move on to the testing now. Okay. So I just plugged this in, and immediately I noticed that there's no on or off switch. It's literally just, you just plug in the adapter and the red light comes on. So there's no switch, which is fine for me. Just letting you know. And I just realized I don't have a stereo quarter jack cable for the output, so this is just connected to one of my monitor speakers, so we're just gonna have to live with that for now. But I'll test it out with my headphones, but you're not gonna be able to hear it. Only I will. And yeah, so the adapter cable, it's a little bit, I mean it's okay, but it's a little bit too short for my taste, for my personal setup. So just letting you guys know, but I've made it. Otherwise, you know, if anything, I can just use an extension cable and just do that, but yeah, just saying, it's a little too short for me. I am plugged in to a guitar on the first channel, input 1. Immediately, I am noticing this issue here. Do you guys hear this? When I turn the knobs, there's this scratchy, crackling sound, which could be a major issue if you're in a live venue and your band or whatever is performing, and you're adjusting this live while this song is playing, and that might become an issue. So yeah, this is a home setup. I'm not gonna use it in a live situation, so that's fine with me. But let me just play some guitar for you. So plugged in, turned up, you can hear the sound. There we go. Sounds pretty good. So any instrument, I mean, I don't have a bass guitar, or I don't even have a keyboard with me right now, or a synthesizer to test anything else out, but I'm playing on a very cheap guitar, plugged into a very cheap cable that I got for free in a guitar shop, and you know, it sounds decent. Sounds truthful. Sounds truthful, man. So I don't see any problem with that. There you have it. I wish I could have tested it out with some other stuff, with like a stereo player, mic, synthesizer, and stuff like that, but I am not prepared for this, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the correct cables. My only issue with this is obviously the scratchy noises that occurs every time I turn the volumes up and down. Also the slightly short adapter cable. I think this is very ideal for like a small bar or like a little venue where it's just like a very simple audio setup, live setup, or whatever you want to call it, or an office space where you just have a single speaker system and you want to have multiple audio devices plugged into one unit so that you don't have to fiddle around with the cables and just use these knobs to control the volume and whatnot. So there you have it. Fine 4-channel mixer. Thank you very much, Fine, for sending me this. If you stayed till the end of this video, thank you for watching. Until next time then.